Okay guys, so what if you have invested $100 in Cardano 3 years ago? How much would it be worth right now? Also in the end of the video, I'll share with you how much I invested 3 years ago and how much is it now. 10x, 20x, 30x or what? Also we will be talking about whether Cardano can hit $10 or not. We'll see. But you might be wondering, well, why the hell Cardano? There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Well, if you are going to look in the past 3 years, a lot has happened. 15 out of the 20 top cryptocurrencies have lost their places, like Tron, Bitcoin Cash, Neo, IOTA, and so many other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum Classic have lost their places. Even Ripple has fallen from its place and fallen to like 7th, 8th place. But Cardano is one of the very few cryptocurrencies which has taken its place. That means it has really some huge potential. So now let's just look at how much is it going to be worth in the future. But before we are going to move any forward, let's just look at what actually Cardano is. So probably when we are going to come on their website, we are going to see that it has been built by the change makers and all sorts of things. Like every company wants to elaborate their vision, but what actually it is a digital currency that can be used as a secure exchange of value. Well, to be honest, every other cryptocurrency is promising is this, they are all competing against the Bitcoin, but what they are saying is that it will be stable, it will be more secure and things like that. So that's what they are saying. So they don't have a unique proposition, right? And there is too many things like their wallets, how to trade. When I invested about 3 years ago, they don't even have wallets. So probably they have grown a lot. And when we are going to simply just check out their roadmap, they have 5 phases, and you can also see about their status over here. So you will be able to see the status, that whether the things are going on or not. So as per this, they are growing really fast because 3 years ago there were nothing and now it's a lot of things. And here you can see their principles, like people, they love to work together to achieve more, and they have a lot of different things like purpose to build a, that's what they are saying. But probably I cannot say that they have a unique proposition, right? And his founder Charles, when I invested, I found that he was having a lot of credibility, so I just invested into the Cardano. Personally, I feel a little thing that Cardano is going to be a great cryptocurrency. Well, no one can say anything, right? Now let's just look at the all-time high of the Cardano. As of today, Cardano is about $1.08, but when we are going to look at their all-time high, it's around $1.33. That's really pretty high because it has still not touched its all-time high, even though Ethereum, Bitcoin has cracked their all-time high. When we are going to look at this over here, when was the all-time high? The all-time high was about 3 years ago in the January 2018, $1.33. So probably as per me, this time the Cardano is going to break their all-time high, because whenever we are going to see like in the past 10 years of the stock market, this time it has broken all of the records of going down and upward. So that's kind of thing I think like happening after 3 years, because the cryptocurrency has fallen literally a lot. So if you have invested 3 years ago, probably about like in the Feb of 2018, when we are going to look at it in the Feb 2018, it was about 38 cents. So that means you can say that it's literally about 3 times from there. If you have invested $100 at that time, it's now worth $300. Now let me show you that what I invested into the Cardano 3 years ago. Well, probably I invested about like very little money. We are going to see it over here now. So let's just see how many of the Cardano do I have. So I have about like 228 of the Cardano, and I bought some of them like probably I bought some of them on the 29th of April. So let's just see the price at 29th of April. So in the April, the price was going on around 35 cents and something like that. No, it was about like 37 cents, something like that. Okay, and I bought more at around like there. After that also I bought some of them like 100 after on the 15th of 6 month. What is that now? 16th of June. So let's just look at the 16th of June, March, April, May, June, 16th of June. So probably at that time the Cardano was around the 16 cents. Probably I have also invested like $100 or a little bit over there after that when the Cardano also fall. So my average around is going to be around like 7 cents when I invested into the Cardano, and today it's about $1.07. So when we are going to simply just head over to calculator, so let's just see how much return have I gotten on this investment. So probably it's now about $1.07, and my average is going to be around of 7 cents. So when we are going to simply just click on this, that's about 15x return. And when I invested into the Cardano, my total Cardano is about like 228 Cardano, and when we are going to multiply it by 7 cents, we are going to see like I invested about $15 in Cardano at that time. And when we are going to see like how much is it worth right now, 15 times 15, so that's worth about $240. And how much do I have over here is literally like about $265, because I have like half of the Neo as well. So that's how much it's crazy. It has gotten to over like 15x return if you have invested $1,000 in Cardano 3 years ago. So probably it's now about like $15,000. If you have invested $1 million, that's now $15 million. Now here comes a big question: will Cardano hit $10? Probably it's really not going to be insane. If they are going to do big projects and do really cool things, then I don't really think it's hard to hit $10, because I was really believing that Binance can never go beyond like $50-$70. The last time it broke the record of like $30, something like that, yeah, close to like $33. But now it has already gotten 10x. That Binance is also going to go more up from here. Probably it's not the right time to invest, but what I am saying is that Binance can really grow like hell from here as well, right? Its all-time high is $342. So that means the Cardano is also having a lot of potential into the cryptocurrency. And when the question comes, can it hit the $10 mark? Then here comes the thing like, are they going to work on the project diligently? Do they have a unique proposition? If yes, then probably Cardano can hit the $10 or even grow bigger than that. Right? So it's really not impossible. But you might be wondering, well, when I am going to sell this Cardano? Probably I am not going to sell Cardano right now. The reason being is what I believe that now the Cardano is going to hit its all-time high after Bitcoin will be little stable. When you are going to go back 3 years ago, you will see that when the Bitcoin reached its all-time high and kept and being stable, and when it got stable, then all of the altcoins started to go up and crazy, really like crazy. So that's what I think that Cardano will cross like $1.33. Then I will sell it. That's what my plan is. So there comes the 3 learnings what you should do if you are invested. The first is big one is hold. From 3 years I have been holding this. If probably I was really just burned out, then I have sold this. I haven't gotten this 15 times return. To be honest, I literally just forgot about this investment, and when I opened today, I was literally just blown away. So that's what the first learning. And the second is invest more when the market falls. So when you are going to look at that I bought 100 Cardanos at around 37 cents. So that was really pretty huge. So when it fall to like 15 cents, I bought more. And when it fall below that, like 3 cents, then I bought more of that. So my average fall to like 7 cents. That's what gave me this much huge returns. I was not thinking like of selling that when it fall. I was thinking of buying it more, because I thought that this has the potential at least to grow once so I can get returns. And the third thing is what I do recommend is don't invest if you have a little money. Like I have $15 I invested, but to be honest, today I think that is not really a good deal, because with just $15, if I am going to invest into the crypto, I will be having no money to invest into any other thing. And what I believe the biggest growth is going to be by developing your your skills. It's like any successful people says, invest in yourself, because if you can literally just invest 100, 200, $500 into yourself and can make $1,000 every single month, then you can take 10% of that and invest into this, and you will be then able to get huge returns. Because let's just say you are investing only $100 a month, that's $1,200, and even if it is going to just go like 5x, that's $5,000, almost $6,000. So that's what I believe, that you can literally invest like $5-10, but that's not going to give you a huge potential. But if you are going to invest in yourself, that is going to be really crazy returns for you. So if you want to start a business and want to start making money to invest into the crypto, then I want to give you 100% free training. For that, simply just click the link in the description and take the free 5-day training and a blueprint that I used to sell for $197. So click the link in the description. It will not be available for forever. Just check it out. If it's available, then it's really going to be beneficial for you. So just go ahead and grab the free training, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel.